Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip, or at least I consider it the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip. I just left the Excalibur and I'm going over this pedestrian bridge and gonna head over to New York Hotel and Casino. Now, I did a proper introduction to this video, with my awesomely handsome face and everything, but the camera apparently was on the wrong setting, and after 3 takes, it was still extremely blurry, so I just tossed all 3 of those takes on the editing floor, if you will, and I'm doing a voiceover introduction. Sorry about that. In any event, let's check out New York Hotel and Casino, shall we?
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Now, as much as I love the New York Hotel and Casino, there is nothing to love about their sports book. It's kind of small and in a horrible location, if you ask me. It's kind of like in a hallway. The front of the building off the Las Vegas Strip has several shops and restaurants that you can explore. At Tom's Urban, your game is always on. Cheer for your team on the patio or inside and enjoy your favorite draft beer in their iconic 2-handed 40-ounce stein. This is Nine Fine Irishmen. Again, you can sit outside on the patio or indoors. It's a pub of epic proportions that was built in Ireland and shipped to the heart of Las Vegas. That's right, this is an actual Irish pub that was taken apart and rebuilt here right in the New York Hotel and Casino. If chocolate cocktails are your thing, check out the chocolate bar here right off the casino and conveniently located, of course, right next to the Hershey's Superstore, which is another video on the New York channel. Upstairs on the mezzanine level of the New York Hotel and Casino are some more lounges, some shops, and some casual food places as well. Up here you'll find Coyote Ugly experienced a live version of the saloon that starred in its own movie featuring lady bartenders showcasing their huge pouring techniques. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. A little bit about the New York Hotel and Casino. It's owned by VC Properties, what isn't these days in Las Vegas, and it's operated by MGM Resorts International. It's designed to evoke New York City in its architecture and other aspects, and it does a fantastic job doing so. The design features downsized replicas of numerous city landmarks such as the Statue of Liberty. The hotel tower represents various skyscrapers. Its tallest structure is a replica of the Empire State Building, standing 47 stories and 529 feet. This made New York the tallest building in Nevada until the completion of the NYNY in Las Vegas in 2005. The property includes the Big Apple Coaster, which travels around the hotel towers both indoors and outdoors. The casino is over 51,000 square feet, and the hotel contains 2,024 rooms, many newly renovated. I'll show you some of those later in the video.
Don't wanna complicate ya. I'm a simple man. Don't wanna complicate ya.
For some of you old school New Yorkers who have been around a while, this looks like the real cabbie. Construction of the New York began in 1985, and the resort was built at a cost of $460 million. It opened on January 1997 as a joint venture between MGM and Prima Donna Resorts. MGM bought out Prima Donna's ownership stake in 1999. This is America. Go on a culinary journey with food, wine, and beer from coast to coast, all in one American setting. Il Forneo has two spots off the New York Casino. One is this cafe, and the other one is an Italian restaurant with premium quality Italian food paired with great wines and cocktails. We'll head upstairs for a few moments. Hold on tight. We'll check out some casual restaurants up here, a huge arcade, and the entrance to the Big Apple roller coaster. After the September 11 attacks, a spontaneous memorial site emerged in front of the resort's Statue of Liberty. An official memorial was added in 2003, but was demolished 10 years later when the resort's facade was remodeled. Right now there's a plaque there. It's a permanent plaque, which you probably saw at the beginning of the video. The Hershey's Chocolate World was added in 2014 as part of that remodel, and the resort hosted various entertainers and shows, including comedian Rita Rudner, who performed here from 2001 to 2006, and the show Zoomanity, the Cirque du Soleil show Zoomanity, which ran from 2003 to 2020. I saw that show. I actually had it here on the New York channel until Cirque du Soleil requested, if you will, that I take that video down. Zoomanity was a fantastic show. If you didn't get to see it, you never will. It's not here anymore. It was replaced with Mad Apple, a show which I haven't seen yet. It's another Cirque du Soleil show. Hopefully my next visit I'll check it out. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. We saw the Il Forneo Cafe before, and this is the Italian restaurant. This is Chin Chin Cafe and Sushi Bar. They offer traditional Chinese food, sushi, and Pan-Asian specialties. Here we have Gallagher's Steakhouse. Enjoy the finest dry-aged beef and fresh seafood at Gallagher's Steakhouse, a New York City original since 1927. Right now we're entering the Village Street Eateries. You can stroll through the brownstone and tree-lined Greenwich Village and experience sidewalk dining and all its charm. Lots of casual restaurants here. I think I've eaten at most of them. Cirque du Soleil's Mad Apple brings New York City's wildest night out to Las Vegas with acrobatics, music, dance, comedy, magic, and more. Children under 16 aren't permitted, and children under the age of 18 must be accompanied by an adult. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New Yawk channel, check out the new Facebook New Yawk fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.